こんにちは、さとこです。Welcome back to my easy Japanese lesson. Oh my goodness, everyone. I feel like it's been a while that I'm in front of this whiteboard and I actually missed it. So, couple things happening with me. The first thing, I have started 1-minute Japanese lesson and you guys might have seen it on my shorts. But I must say, it's been a challenge to explain a sentence within 1 minute. So I'm like, what have I started on? But I hope you guys are liking it. And then the second thing, I am going to launch Japanese World Academy and my very first course, 6 weeks Japanese crash course for beginner. The waitlist is now open. And so go to JapaneseWorldAcademy.com to be on the waitlist though. But one of the gifts that I'm offering is the 15-minute one-on-one Zoom session with me. And I've already had a pleasure meeting some of the subscribers from this channel, and it's been such a great experience. So I would love to meet you guys. So be on the wait list and book a 15-minute Zoom session with me, okay? And I'll see you guys there. But yeah, let me know though, which one you like better, like 1-minute Japanese lesson or this whiteboard lesson. So I will concentrate more on one of the lessons more. But 1-minute Japanese lesson, I'm getting hang of it. So hopefully it's not gonna take a long time for me to create so I can keep doing it daily. All right, well, let's get the lesson started. So today's lesson is how to say yes, please, and no, thank you in Japanese. So if you've watched my 1-minute Japanese lesson, I have covered it in 1 minute. However, I felt that wasn't enough. So I had to do this with a whiteboard, and I wanted to explain more and better. So yeah, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, first, yes, please. We say, はい、お願いします. Yeah, that's yes, please. Like, let's say at the restaurant, waitress came around and said, would you like water? And if you want to say yes, please, this is a sentence you're going to use, okay? So, はい、お願いします. はい, that is, of course, yes. Now, this is a formal way. Do you remember how to say yes in a casual way? So that is, うん. So when you say う, make sure to put your lips around う, okay? うん. And お願い. So this O, if you put O in front of a Japanese word, it becomes politer and then softer. So it's that O. And then 願い. 願い means a wish. So pronunciation tip. 願 as in negatives, 願. And then い as in inks, い. 願い. It's a wish. But this case, O and then 願い, it has to be together. お願い is a one word. And it actually means please. So when, in English, when a little kid would say, like, please, 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 mom, and stuff. So in Japanese, the little kid would say, お願い、お願い、お願い、お願い、お願い. So that's that please. Please, 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 please. お願い、お願い、お願い、お願い. Alright? And then now, します. So it means to do. Now pronunciation. し as in shh. And then mas as in masks, mas. します. To do. So this はい、お願いします. It literally means yes, please do. Yes, please do. That's what that means. Okay. So this is the formal way. Now let's cover the semi-casual way. Semi-casual, when it becomes a casual, semi-casual, we don't really say はい or even うん. So instead of saying はい or うん, we actually use this word, じゃあ. You guys might know this じゃあ. I said じゃあね, bye bye, right? That じゃあ. So this じゃあ, it actually means well, but we use it quite often. じゃあ. じゃあ, お願いします. So お願いします part, it's still the same. This is a semi-casual, somewhat formal, right? So instead of saying はい, we say じゃあ. じゃあ、お願いします. That's semi-casual. Now, if you want it to be more casual, let's say the waitress is super young, and then stuff, and then you don't want to really be too formal, you can say じゃあお願いします or even casual. That is じゃあお願い. So we just remove します to do part. Okay, just say じゃあお願い. Or you might hear this in Japan quite often, the Japanese people saying it. Say あお願い. This あ is kind of equivalent to O, right? So あお願い. So semi-casual じゃあお願いします. And casual is じゃあお願い or あお願い. So this is the yes please, はいお願いします in a formal way and in a casual way. Now we're moving on to no thank you. So this part is more difficult. So I just covered it in a 1 minute Japanese lesson and I didn't have time to explain how we should use it and stuff. So yeah, no thank you. We say いいえ結構です. So いいえ, it means no. And this is a formal way. いいえ. Make sure you prolong it. いいえ. So when you prolong, you're going to prolong longer than you think you should. So like いいえ. If you feel い is long enough, no, go longer. Go longer. Yeah. いいえ. Okay. いいえ. And then casual way. That is うん. So remember the casual way of yes is うん, right? う. And then you're going to prolong this う to make it no. うん. That's a casual way of saying no. All right? So いいえ, this case we're talking about formal way. So いいえ, no. And 結構です. So this 結構, it means fine, wonderful, or splendid. It may have been unexpected, but 結構. So pronunciation, 結構. So when you see this double letters, you're gonna make a silence. So け as in Ken, guy's name, Ken's け. And then you're gonna hear the silence, け. And then こ as in coast, like East Coast, West Coast, the coast. 結構です. So in a music, we have things called staccato. So it's like da da da, that sound. So you're gonna make this Ken's け, make it a staccato. 結構です. 結構. That means fine, wonderful, splendid. And then we're gonna add des. Des is part of is or are. So like as in desks, desk, right? So いいえ結構です. So it literally means no. 結構 is fine, right? No, fine. So that's what that means. And we translate it as no thank you. But if you want to be super formal, super polite about it, you can always add thank you after that as well. What was thank you? Of course, ありがとう. So いいえ結構です. ありがとう. You can totally say that. And now I have to warn this いいえ結構です. If you say it in a wrong way, it would sound very rude. So sometimes, like on the street, people trying to give you something or ask you something and stuff. And sometimes we just try to be nice and we say, 結構です, 結構です, and then stuff. That means like, no thanks, get away from me, So when you use this いいえ結構です, make sure they know that you're saying it in a formal way of no thank you. Okay? いいえ結構です. Now, like semi-casual and then casual way. So we are not even gonna use any of those words, いいえ or 結構. We don't use them. So semi-casual way, we're going to use 大丈夫. And if you haven't checked out my 大丈夫 video, make sure to go check it out after this. But 大丈夫, it means okay or fine. Okay? So pronunciation tip. 大丈夫. Die as in direct, that die. And then Joe as in your friend Joe's Joe. And Boo as in burritos Boo. 大丈夫. So it means okay, fine and stuff. I'm okay. We use 大丈夫, right? And if you wanted to make it a formal, we're gonna add des as well. So that would be a semi-casual way. And then very, very often, again, we say あ in front of it. あ、大丈夫です. That means, oh, I'm fine. So you can, of course, say ありがとう after if you wish. Okay? And then the casual way, we're just going to remove this des and then say あ、大丈夫. And then that's fine. So lastly, if you want to say no more thank you. So let's say if you're about to leave the restaurant and a waitress came up and came around and said, would you like more water? And then you just want to say, oh, no more thank you. This is how we say it. もう結構です. That's a formal way. Or もう大丈夫です. So we're gonna add this もう. Again, prolong longer than you feel it's necessary. もう. And もう, it means already. So yeah, so already I'm fine. You know, already I'm okay, I'm good. So that's what that means. No more thank you. もう結構です. もう大丈夫です. And of course, if you wish, you could add an いいえ, but I feel sometimes it's not necessary. Yeah, もう結構です. もう大丈夫です. That should be good enough. Okay, so today's lesson was how to say yes please and no thank you in Japanese. So guys, make sure to go to JapaneseWorldAcademy.com to be on the wait list and then book the 15-minute Zoom session with me because it's closing very soon. So I would love to meet you guys. Okay, so if you still haven't, please subscribe. And if you like, please press the like button. Arigato. And I'll see you guys very soon. じゃあね. Bye bye.